just waiting for my change.
This is. Right.
It's even worse. My parents were all over. Oh, I see. That's how I ended up posting it. Yes. And then I went to school there. I like this. I like this. Yeah, sure.
You've chilled? Yeah. You see? Yeah, look. The signals, yeah. Yeah. It's really cool. I like that.
70 to 80.
Yeah, I remember these multiple units.
Why is it
Yeah, that's it. I love that. Yeah, it's just changing. That's fantastic. Look. That's really cool.
Why is it not? Why is there no numbers on there?
Well, it's just because there isn't a train in the platform now. It's just getting ready. This is great, isn't it?
Yes.
Standing on the train.
Ways are there to help you out. If you're into kit building, London Road Models have got a superb range of brass components for kit building. If you're into automation, we're delighted to welcome ADM turntables for the first time. Take a look at the quality of the turntables and the accuracy. And of course, have a chat with Joe Kite at Kite's Lights. Absolutely superb display. Particularly have a look at his model of the Ferris wheel, which is using very, very fine scale strip LED lighting to animate a working model, beautiful model. And in terms of storage, for all scales, JB Model World, Alan and John, whose boxes and storage solutions suit everybody's needs. And then while you're down there, have a good look at the layouts. Kibble being our focal club layout this year, O-Gauge, fabulous layout with some additions, some recent additions that the team have been working on. And also Phil Parker's still busy talking microgauge layouts in the atrium. Lots of great little layouts there.
But it's software. Obviously, it only works with 360. Where do I put it? The computer knows where the trace is. It takes as well, so I'm not sure how long they are, but probably for each one. So there's a detector under each one, so the computer knows where all trains are at all times. We'll see on the screen. It was a level crossing. Almost like a real halt. But that's the yeah, there's
Stop motors and get a laser cutter at home, so we get some pieces we cut out on the laser cutter. Because you couldn't do it with that. You need something fairly precise to be able to make that work. Yeah.
A really technical one.
Hopefully, I might need. I'm just going to follow the down, this one's just going to be
You didn't lend them cigarette and you didn't lend them money. You lend them money. I didn't kid one money one day.
No, it's going to go back that way. Okay. Well, so I moved that from there today, but I really want to.
The coupling's a bit wobbly, you need to make sure it's fixed on properly. Apart from that, absolutely fine. No, I was joking, we're off, as in...
Oh yeah, I did know that.
Well, and exciting, really. You coming through?
I will be when it's free. Oh, am I free to go?
Yep, there you go. Well, yeah, new glasses are coming, yeah.
But I've seen, I'm sure, yeah, I'm sure if you look in there. Where we go? Let me have a little look. If you just hold those. Oh, there we are. That's it. That's it. Yeah, that's where they came from. That's where they came from. And they do things, but I've used this sticky, like a brassy thing that runs along, like a foil. And you stick that on, and then wherever you want to take the electric from, you just solder onto this foil that's stuck underneath, which is quite clever. And I'm sure kites would almost certainly sell these. And they're good. Okay, you're welcome. You always get somebody wreck your filming, don't you? Just when it was all looking lovely, what's he do? You.
What did I do?
Man was taking a nice bit of film of that engine going into the tunnel, and suddenly you turned it up to full speed. Yeah, let me have a look. It's only 2 feet wide. Okay. Oh, that's what you was on about, wasn't it?
It's got a loop it's all Canadian Pacific stuff.
Right. What is it? And I always want to get into the toilet. The shop in the I saw one over there in Canada who was driving back from Whistler, 20 yards away from them. And I'm thinking, I'll keep on the bike and keep heading.
I would.
And
they did that with me. They stopped in the coach. Stop.
Can I ask you a question about your vaccines? I said you hadn't been to a hospital. No. Are they proprietary vaccines?
Are they what?
Very nice.
Just like point underneath to this.
What about the building? Scratch built. Very good.
They are.
It looks definitely not quite so long.
As long as they remember to turn it off, it lasts for quite a while.
Your arse is done, that's why.
So from there, then I shunt back.
Yes,
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 that makes sense.
that's what you've got to go into. You're going into. Yeah, no, we've done it before.
Then uncouple. Right, that makes more sense. Way to be uncoupled.
Which is on the 4 mil switch, 2 mil.
Which is on
that one there, which is set to red.
Oh, so you're on a simple foot switch. Yeah, because better this foot.
It's better to actually stop not doing it on the fly. They work better.
Yes, thank you. If it works, doesn't it? You just stop.
You just stop, uncouple them.
Ah, well, I'm not switched on.
Got to scrape it down a bit.
Yeah, I had that problem. Put one down crossing already. Things started to fall off.
Yeah.
And I think it was when the wood expanded slightly
Yeah.
after it was glued.
Okay.
Too far.
Well, you might just get it. Try it. The south video, so you'll be going down.
Oops. So, yeah, so I've got it, sorry.
That's okay.
That's there then, isn't it?
Welly through there. I know. That's all different colours.
Yeah, that's wrong one. You don't need it, you can still get an error.
You'll find it on the current one. How many times have we done that?
I know, it's staggering.
So, you know, we only got 1 and 2. That's pretty good.